Hello friends, how are you? Today I will explain how to install password strength checker plugin in NopCommerce sites. Before we start the installation process, I will explain what is the features of password strength checker plugin. Password strength checker plugin is used for when user enter the password in register page or change password page. It will show the strength of password, means if password is weak, very weak, strong, stronger, or strongest, based on what password entered by the user. Now we are going to process for how to install the password strength checker plugin in NopCommerce 4.1 installation sites. To go ahead with password strength checker, please install the plugin in your NopCommerce site, and for installation please follow these steps. First up, copy the widget.passwordstrengthchecker folder in your NopCommerce sites presentation, nop.web, and plugin folders. Here I have copied the widget.passwordstrengthchecker plugins files, which you can find in the downloadable zip files. Then after copy the widget.passwordstrengthchecker folder in your NopCommerce site, login in your NopCommerce site's admin section and open the admin section, and in that open the configuration and plugins. Here I have login with admin user and open the administration section of the NopCommerce sites. In that open the configuration and open the plugin section. Then simply reload the list of plugins, so new plugins will be counted down in the list of plugins. Now scroll down and find the password strength checker plugin. Go to the page 2. See, this is the password strength checker plugin, right? Then install the password strength checker plugin. For install the plugin, just click on the install button. It will automatically install the plugin. The plugin has been installed successfully. After installing the plugin, open the configuration of the plugin and enable the password strength checker plugin. After the installation, go to the plugin, open the configuration, simply enable the password strength, so it will be enable the password checker in registration and change password page. Save it. The plugin has been updated successfully. Then open the public store of your NopCommerce site, and in that open the registration page or change password page. In that try to enter the password. It will show the password strength. Now open the public store of the, and make sure the plugin is enabled before you go to the public store. For enable the plugin, edit, just enable the plugin and save. Now open the public store of your of the site. Now in that open the change password. Open the change password and write something in password. It will show the strength of passwords. Like 1, 2, whatever. And it will be very weak until it has the less than the minimum number of passwords which is set in the NopCommerce settings. Okay, now I will log out from the user and open the registration page. In registration page, write the password. In that also it will show the strength of passwords. That's just if you require any further assistance or have a question, do hesitate to contact us. Thank you.